What had happened local news for Thursday the 12th of October. The Featherston RSA Heritage Museum and Featherston Camp Sculpture Trust joining together to mark the 100th anniversary of the Battle of Passchendaele today, beginning at 10 a.m. with the opening of the Heritage Museum, where there will be a dedicated area to the Battle of Passchendaele. There'll also be the model of the Featherston Camp Sculpture that is due to be unveiled in November 2018, available to view. Wairarapa police have charged 4 teenagers with an aggravated robbery of a store on Roberts Road, Masterton on the 24th of September. 3 males, 2 aged 15 and 1 13, are also facing aggravated robbery charges in relation to the targeting of a dairy on Colombo Road. During police inquiries into recent events, good quality CCTV footage has assisted in the investigations. The 2 aggravated robberies were not carried out by the same individuals. And in sport, the Wairarapa cricket side are away tomorrow for the first of their Chapel Cup games in Hawke's Bay. Daniel Ingham will captain the side, and it's good luck to all the local tennis players who begin their competition this weekend.